Welcome everyone. Welcome to the Bridge Builders of Diversity, where we are bridging the gap between the typical community and the disability community. And that is so important, right? Because we want to all understand each other and live in a better world. So my name is Sherry. I'm a mother of a child with Down syndrome. I'm going to give you a further update on his eardrum repair, ongoing process. So we first had his appointment. Told you all about the surgery. He's had a perforated eardrum since the beginning of 2020. Never healed. He's had tubes put in his ears and they've always healed up. So the eardrum got perforated, been perforated a long time. So he did well through the surgery. We had his first recheck. The surgeon, everything's looking good. He still has some compaction in his ear. It kind of gets dried up, so it's almost like a little chisel in and out. Goes in there, kind of breaks it apart, and then sucks out the compaction. So we still have more of that to do. So we go back again next week, and we'll get the rest of the compaction out. And hopefully everything will continue to go well. We're still having to give him the antibiotic drops in the ear because they actually cut behind the ear and take that cartilage. And the surgeon did a wonderful job. It's healing up very nicely. Those sutures just dissolve on their own. Beautiful, beautiful sewing up surgical site. So it looks like it's going to heal really wonderfully the way it's looking right now. And they take that cartilage to rebuild the eardrum. Pretty fascinating, all the stuff we can do today, huh? So we'll go back and get that done. He doesn't really enjoy getting the ear drops 3 times a day, but it is what it is. So we just have to deal with that, especially now that he's back to school. So got to do it right when he gets off the bus in a little bit, actually, because that 3 o'clock hour is coming very quickly. So again, I'm Sherry. I'm a mother of a child with Down syndrome. My co-speaker, Roberta, she'll be back soon. She's a special educator, and she always has a unique perspective. You know, I look at everything through the lens of a parent, and she looks through things, the lens of an educator. So, but anyway, if you like our content, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We'd appreciate it. Thank you so much. Help us get out into that YouTube universe. And if you'd like, watch our TED Talk that Roberta and I did in 2021, I believe it was. So we appreciate you all. Look forward to your comments below. Let me know any surgeries your children have had and the stuff you've gone through. Love to hear those stories. All right, appreciate you guys all. Love you. Have a good day.